How to add a motion blur. Add video. Grab the video, dragging the timeline. I like to add motion blur to this part of this video right at the beginning. Control K, or you can split from here. Now, motion blur, video effects, filters, motion blur. Okay. View, properties window, linear motion blur, radical motion blur, increase angle, or decrease. Auto select, angle, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video for you. If you don't know how you can do something in this video editor, let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.